Hi there, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us today. My name is Rachel Christian. I am joined here today with the Osceola County Supervisor of Elections, Miss Mary Jane Arrington. And we are here to discuss voting. There's been a lot of questions and a lot of discussions on how elections may work this year in light of the coronavirus. And so we are going to get started and hopefully answer some of those questions. Thanks so much for being here today, Mary Jane. I really appreciate it.
Well, thank you for having me.
So first question, what are some of the main challenges that the Osceola County Supervisor of Election is facing this year?
Well, first of all, it's the great unknown. There's a lot ahead of us that we just don't know. We don't know about the health condition that our country is going to be facing in 3 months or 4 or 5 months when we get to the general election. So we've got to prepare for the worst. So we still have to conduct an election. The federal election has to be held the first Tuesday after the first Monday, and we've got to be ready to have that. So we have some new challenges, mainly health concerns, not only of our workers and our staff, but also of our voters. So we are taking precautions to prepare for that. Security has been a major concern, and we've worked diligently for the past really 4 years preparing to make sure that the election system is secure.
Definitely. Can you speak a little bit about some of the safety protocols that you and your office have been working to implement to make sure that people who do decide to vote in person stay safe this year?
Right. Well, we're going to make sure that our workers, we have to keep them healthy so they can work. And so we're taking great precautions, starting with training, which starts in a few weeks, that we follow the CDC's guidelines for social distancing. We're going to require that our workers all wear masks, and we're trying to get shields built for as many locations as possible for early voting and election day to keep our workers safe. We're going to have personal protection equipment, that sanitizers, wipes to wipe down areas. We're looking for ways to make sure that it's safe. Maybe we're going to use Q-tips to sign your name so you don't have to use the stylus. That's one thing we've discovered we can do. We're going to encourage voters to keep social distancing while they're waiting for their opportunity to vote. And we're also going to provide hand sanitizing stations before they come in to vote. We are going to make sure that voters are aware that they can bring their own protective equipment if they want, masks or gloves, anything that makes them feel comfortable to vote.